Hello friends, I have come with the notes on plane. Now, what is the criteria to know whether the plane is uniquely determined? So, these are three cases. The normal to the plane and the distance from the origin is given. This is the distance from the origin. And normal to the plane means perpendicular from the plane and origin. This distance is given. The distance means perpendicular, perpendicular distance. Now, second condition is it passes through the point. It can unitarily be can be determined if you know that the plane is passing through the point and is perpendicular to a given direction. Third case is if the plane passes through three non-collinear points. So these are the three conditions. Out of which any one condition is satisfied, then it is a plane. प्लेन ऐसे समझिए कि फ्लोटिंग काइट है स्पेस के अंदर. सो हाउ टू डिटरमाइन कहाँ पे है ये? सो वी नीड ए रेफरेंस पॉइंट. इन दिस केस origin was the reference point and this is the distance, and you also require a perpendicular direction so that this distance is perpendicular, so this direction. So here is the plane. This is in this space. So 3D means space. So the first condition I told you, the normal to the plane and its distance from the origin is given. Secondly, it passes through the point and is perpendicular to the given direction. Third condition is that it can also be uniquely determined if it passes through three non-collinear points. Three non-collinear points. Now, look here. Before we discuss plane, we need to understand the followings. पॉइंट को कैसे लिखा जाता है एल्जेब्रिकली? एल्जेब्रिकली मीन्स इक्वेशन. पॉइंट इज रिटन एज ax प्लस बी इक्वल टू 0. और लाइन को कैसे हम लिखते हैं? ax प्लस बी वाई प्लस सी इक्वल टू 0. और फिर प्लेन को कैसे लिखा जाता है? प्लेन को लिखा जाता है ax प्लस बी वाई प्लस सी जेड प्लस डी इक्वल टू 0. देखिए ए एक्स प्लस बी, फिर ए एक्स प्लस बी वाई प्लस सी. देखिए पहले एक्स है, अब वाई भी आ गया, अब जेड भी आ गया, तो एक कांस्टेंट लास्ट में होता ही है. सो इट इज ए एक्स प्लस बी वाई प्लस सी जेड प्लस डी इक्वल टू 0. दिस इज द इक्वेशन इन कार्टेशियन फॉर्म और एल्जेब्रिक फॉर्म of the plane. लाइन कहाँ से बनती है? प्लेन पॉइंट से. पॉइंट से लाइन बनती है, लाइन से प्लेन बन जाती है. तो now here there are 4 A, B, C, D. There are 4 unknowns. Actually they are 3. If we divide by D on both sides, if we divide both sides with D, we'll get A over D plus B over D plus C over D is equal plus D over D, that is 1, is equal to 0. So A over D is another constant. It can be written with capital A. B over D can be written as B, capital B, and C over D can be written as capital C. So now look here, these A, B, C, capital A, B, C, these three constants are there. There are 3 conditions required. So देखिए अपने को 3 कंडीशन चाहिए. अभी देखिए हमने थर्ड केस डिस्कस किया था 3 नॉन कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स के लिए. 3 नॉन कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स, राइट? सो डेफिनेशन वाज देयर. तो ये 3 कंडीशन हमें सेटिस्फाई करनी होती है प्लेन के लिए. दो इफ वी आर नोइंग दीज 3 कंडीशंस, we can write the equation of the plane. Now I'll go ahead with the mnemonic. Mnemonics on plane. प्लेन में देखिए कितने लेटर्स हैं? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. There are 5 letters. There are 5 equations of the plane. There are 5 equations. They are NOTI. NOTII. NOTI. Normal form, 1-point form, 3-point form, intercept form, and plane passing through the intersection of 2 planes. So that is intercept form, passing through the intersection. I stands for intersection. So this was the mnemonic. Tomorrow I'll come up with the derivation of the formulas for the equations of plane, and you will find it, the things are very, very simple otherwise, and when we'll be doing the questions, you will be doing it in chutkiyon mein, and it is a very, very simple topic, and it is really very good paymaster. Game badal dega. पलटू राम है ये. Game will be changed. Okay, I'll request you to kindly share this with your friends so that they are also able to understand. Thank you very much. Good night. Please subscribe if you like it. Thank you very much. Bye.